Hey everybody, you're watching Tactical Reviews. So, Hellcat, 11 round mag, putting on the Hyve extension to make it a 14 round mag. It's pretty simple. You got a spring right here. You get a tool and push in on that spring, and when you do that, you pop that forward and that comes right off. So it's pretty simple there. This, however, has been a pain in my butt every time I put it on. Maybe I can do it easier this time, but it's got a set screw that you're going to want to back out. You're going to want to get your spring into the mag. See, it's going to be a pain in the butt. Cram it down in there. Slide that into the groove. Come on. And then pop that little, bam, there you go. Now all you got to do is get the Allen screw that they provide you and screw in your set screw, and you're done. 14 rounds. Makes the grip feel so much better. Anyways, to take this off, you just unscrew your set screw, push that down like that, find you something. Inside there you'll be able to see the spring. You're going to want to push that down best you can. It can be a pain in the butt too. Come on with it. Go forward. And that's how you get it back off. I think it feels really good. It adds 3 more to your 11 round mag, which is pretty awesome. Gives you that little extra grip, which is pretty awesome. And the only thing that I wasn't wonderful about is I ordered a red one, and maybe it looks red on camera to you, but it don't look red to me. It's more of a maroonish color. And I emailed them and said, hey, you know, I ordered a red one, and I said, but it's kind of a maroon color. And they basically just told me that that's what color the red color is. So I guess if you want to get a red one, expect it to be not entirely red. Anyways, there it is. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you did. Like and subscribe if you didn't.